Hi all, this is Rasita from PSC Study here. Today, actually, I'm going to talk about management. This will help a plus two student and also MBA students or also the commerce students. Okay, so the main idea actually I have to present here what is management and what are the characteristics and the concepts of management. Okay. So you know, right? Management is the art of getting things done by others. It is an art as well as science of decision making and leadership. As a noun, management refers to the individuals who perform the managerial job. That example you can say managers, the person who manage, correct? Managers. How we can describe management as a process? Management as a process is a series of functions like planning, organizing, controlling, directing, coordinating, etc. These are actually the main functions of management. Planning, organizing, controlling, coordinating, and also the directing. So many other sub items will be there. Those we will explain later. As a discipline, organized body of knowledge that can be taught, experienced, and also researched. Example, it will be a branch of study. Okay. A manager is one who accomplishes the objectives of others. Management comprises of the functions of planning, organizing, staffing, directing, and controlling. Already we told, right? Yeah. He works for the attainments of objectives laid by the administration. Each organization has their own uh, their own objectives, right? So manager should create goals and he have to work for that, and later he should do that objective in effective way and efficient way. Okay, so that is actually management. Management expert actually provided many definitions for management. According to Mary Parker, management is the art of getting things done through other people. Harold Coons and O'Connell states, management is the creation and maintenance of an internal environment in an enterprise where individuals work in groups can perform efficiently and effectively towards the attainment of group goals. It is the art of getting the work done through and with people in formally organized groups. Taylor said, management is the art of knowing what you want in best and cheapest way. Again, Harold Coons and Heinz Page said, management is the process of designing and maintaining an environment in which individuals work with such performance for optimizing efficiency in reaching goals. John R. Cherry provided another description for management. Management as the process of planning, organizing, actuating, and controlling performed to determine and accomplish the objectives by the use of people and resources. You know, actually the management experts provided the descriptions based on their experience and also research. So as a conclusion, management is a process of working with and through others to achieve organizational objectives in a changing environment. That is very important. That means management should work in a dynamic environment. It involves effective and efficient utilization of scarce resources. So the manager should create a good communication with the sub members to maintain the effectiveness and the efficiency of work. Okay, so what is a management? What is management? So management is actually a process, right? It is a process that is a systematic way of doing things. How we can able to do things systematically? That means we need actually proper planning, right? For proper planning, actually what we have to do, we first need to analyze the problem, right? To solve a particular problem, we have to analyze it. So that time we can actually understand we can able to solve that particular problem in different ways. Before that we have to identify the cost also. So how we can able to reduce cost with the better utilization of resources, how we can able to solve the problem. So we need a proper planning. Without proper planning or communication, we cannot able to achieve a particular things. If we solve that, then there is a chance like it will be an incorrect solution, right? Okay, so first thing is planning. That means thinking in advance. Thinking in advance is pre-planning, right? Yeah, first is planning. The second one is organizing. Coordination of men and resources. Without coordination, the cost will be high. Okay, so if we are having better coordination, that will have the problem solution in a better way. Okay, so what is actuating? Motivation and direction. We have to motivate a person. So the utilization of resources will be high, the rate will be high. Controlling, attempt to ensure no deviation in plan. Actually, we pre-planned everything to achieve an objective, right? Yeah, so we should not deviate from it. Okay, if it is needed, then we have to look on that dynamic environment. If there is any technology change or any process change, that should be for attaining a good health, right? Good health of that particular objective. So when we change a plan, that should not break the objective. Okay, so attempts to ensure no deviation in plan. Okay, if it is there, in the sense it should be an enhancement. Okay, so manager should focus on the objectives every time. He should focus on the objectives and also the cost. Manage resources and make necessary actions like advertisement, resource increase for proper growth. In mid of a project, if you see like the resource is actually less, and actually we need, if we have multiple resources, it will improve the performance. Then we have to do that. That's actually need, right? Need. And if for getting more profit, if we need some advertisement, in the sense we have to do that. It should not be loss. Okay. Yeah. So management actually is the process, that is a systematic way of doing